From returning home to build a factory to 500 million in annual output, it only took him 10 years. What was his path to upgrading? And what's the secret to his equipment selection? Today, we're taking you on a field visit to Jinzhuang Machinery.
Our Jinzhuang Machinery was established in 2013. There was no industry in our area, so people used to go out to work elsewhere. I left my hometown for Zhuhai in '94 to work. I was a factory operator for about 5 years, and then I started producing standard parts myself. The local leaders saw we were doing well and invited us back through investment promotion to start a business in our hometown and give back. Currently, we have 8 bases with about 500 people here in Jiangxi. As for annual output, it'll be about 500 million this year. Our products are mainly auto chassis parts like ball joints, control arms, automotive control arms, and some standard chassis parts. We felt there was a market for new energy vehicles, so we immediately pivoted to the new energy vehicle sector. Right behind us now is the number 5 production workshop. This is a part for heavy trucks, number 45 steel with a precision requirement of 2 threads. For us working with steel, there's a lot of vibration, so we have high requirements for equipment, precision, and stability. We're also quite satisfied with the after sales and sales staff we deal with.